Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Panchua's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm akwaaba to you. It is ice cream o'clock, friends, and this is homemade, absolutely delicious, and I know you will love it. So come with me and let's do this. So if it makes you feel any better or confident, I want to tell you this was my very first time trying this and it was good. If you think it looked good, then trust me, you'll be able to do this. So here are the ingredients you need, just 3 ingredients, and I'll list them as well for you in the description box. So to start, I'm pouring my whipping cream into a mixing bowl and I will just go ahead and whisk it. So you want to whisk until you get it to be like foamy, very thickened, and then that's when you are going to go ahead and add your condensed milk to this. So yes, this is very simple. You don't need to have an ice cream maker in your house to make this ice cream. So you want it to end up being like this, almost like cloudy, pillowy. It's almost, I can't even say it's from curds. It's more like it's just foamy, pillowy. Now at this point, I'm just going to add my condensed milk in here, the whole can of condensed milk. So the condensed milk is what you are using. Other recipes would have asked you to use evaporated milk and sugar, but you know condensed milk is just a combination of milk and sugar and then cooked until it thickens. So I'm choosing to use the condensed milk and just the whipping cream and the vanilla. So just 3 ingredients. So you want to just go ahead and whisk this until everything is well combined and you have a very beautiful smooth texture. This is my vanilla bean pot. I'm just going to cut it up. So actually, friends, you can use vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract if you can. I just love vanilla bean. In my mind, it's just like those little dots, the specks of the vanilla bean that you see in the ice cream. That makes me just think it is luxurious, it is the best, it is the the fancy, expensive kind. And so me making it at home, I just want to go all the way out and just tell myself that I'm eating something very fancy. But you can use the extract. It's still the same. You get the flavor and it will still be delicious. So basically, once I cut it open, I just use a spoon to scrape either side of the pot. And so this is one side that I scraped. This is the contents of one side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same on the other side. There we go. Yes, this is what is going to give me all those beautiful tiny dark specks in my ice cream that I'm so crazy about. So just look at me go. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Just so beautiful. So just mix for about an extra minute. Make sure that the vanilla bean, the vanilla is all well mixed up in here, especially if you use the bean, and everything is just a beautiful smooth texture like this. And then you can go ahead and pour this into a bowl, just like so, and freeze. Nope, you can't miss any of that goodness. So I'm scraping every bit of the mixing bowl in here, and then I'm just gonna cover it and let it go in the freezer. You want to freeze this for at least 4 hours or overnight, but this actually stayed in here for 2 days, like on the second day, so 1 full day. On the second day, my children were just not gonna take any excuse. It was now or never, mommy. So yes, ice cream time it was, and let's see how we made out. yes, definitely a hit, a real good one, a success for sure. And like I told you, this was my very first time making ice cream of this nature. The only time I ever made ice cream, homemade ice cream, was the needle kind, you know, just mix with water, add sugar, and put a chewing stick inside, you know, abele was. That's the only kind of ice cream I know about. And look at this one, perfect, beautiful, smooth texture, just like the store-bought one. So beautiful, so delicious too. So try this. I know your kids will love it. They will be so marveled. You'll be a true star for them, okay? Just, you get all the accolades, moms, okay? And dads, you can try this as well. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time watching me, this is Kwanchue's Kitchen, where making simple, replicable meals is my passion. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy. This is good. You simply cannot be homemade. I hope you try this. You will love it. This is so good.